This is called Avenida de Praia. So we're going to be starting here and then we're going to be walking directly down that way. And let me just kind of show you. So this is the terrain. And this is the outlook. But we're going to walk directly down that way and we're going to show you these type of houses too and kind of tell you what it's all about. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so Avenida de Praia. So let's kind of walk down this way a little bit and then we're going to be highlighting this whole street all the way down. Type of houses, they came 1921. I saw another sign over there. So they've been here for 100 years now. Then they overlook this right here, which is the Venetian, Morpheus, all these casinos. You got some Avenida de Praia, there's another street sign. So this one has, let's go down to him, just kind of show you. And the one on the end here has all this artwork. Oh, they all have artwork, they're all kind of like, so I think this one has like a bookstore library kind of thing. Macau, got some Portuguese references throughout. Reminder of the heritage that was here, the history. There's a giant rooster. So, let me just see what's in here. Oh, okay. Hello. So, got kind of good music and... Okay, so I don't want to say you have to do the health code and things like that. But they do have some beautiful stuff. Coffee, it's like a coffee house, I believe. So let's walk on down. Here they'll have like live music and things. Especially like Lusofonia Festival. It's like a, the Portuguese speaking world converge and they play music from like Cape Verde, Angola, Mozambique, Brazil, Portugal. Okay, so Avenida de Praia. The avenue of the beach. Got all these people hanging out down in that area. Humid June weather. Yeah, down there there's like, they put a bunch of lily pads so people come down and take pictures of the ecosystem in that area. Lily pads are pretty huge. I'll definitely go down there and take a look. I think this one is museum, I think. No, bookstore. Portuguese. Actually, I've walked in there. I think it's kind of like books about Macau and Portugal in Chinese. Mainly for the Chinese audiences. Last time I went, I don't think I saw any English books, but I might be wrong. They might have them now, maybe. But now with the COVID, there's only China tourists are allowed, so I don't know if they could really sell many books in English. Huh, okay, now they have some paths that go down in here. Keep on walking. Down there, there's like an art exhibition thing. I think we have enough time, we might be able to get down there too. I think we will. Yeah, and up there you can walk up into these, there's a giant church up there, some beautiful colonial buildings, and then you go down to the other side and you go into Taipa village. I've definitely filmed in there quite a few times. Performances at 2 p.m. So there's I think it's about 2 o'clock now. It's tourist. Taipa house. Then you have this giant park in here called this is the name of it. Exposition of the flowers of Avenida de Praia. So now you can see all the details. This changes constantly, so there's always something new in here all the time. So we're just gonna walk right into the middle of it, I think. Got this kind of beautiful thing on the side. Kind of Portuguese looking thing. We're gonna walk right in. This constantly changes. There's always something new in here all the time. I don't remember seeing sidewalks like this before. It's a totally different thing going. The water. But you can see these are all like potted plants, so it's not, all of them are potted plants everywhere, which kind of implies that it's not permanent, right? So I forget, I'm not sure how long they last, but they change quite frequently. So there's a lot of money from the government to change this park on a routine basis. And it's quite interesting. It's like exposition, artwork kind of stuff. And then actually there's escalator that goes all the way to Venetian Casino, Cotai Strip too. You just stand on it, it just moves along. But I think what we're gonna do is, I think we're gonna end this one, this area, but at least now you kind of see Avenida de Praia. You see this kind of exposition park as well. Maybe later we'll come up to that spot up there. Okay, hope you like it.